Welcome guys, this is what you will get from your RSE exhaust Type-D for your FL5. Beautiful titanium welds, shining box. This is the TRL drop-in filter. Look at those welds, mastercraft. Beautiful box, shining box while it's still new for the FL5. We have got this fitted on the car already. As you can see, it's beautiful. Fitment is very good. No issue with it. It goes all the way at the back, fit nicely. This is a smaller box compared to the FK8 model, so you can put back the bottom tray on your rear diffuser.